Organic traffic flatlining? Simpler Traffic will bring it back to life in 90 days. This revolutionary traffic generation system created by Munch and Cruiz can supercharge your organic traffic. Want more free traffic for your affiliate marketing, e-commerce business, or local business? This system has you covered. Forget paid ads. Organic traffic delivers 4x higher conversion rates from engaged visitors actively looking for your products or services. Simpler Traffic uses advanced SEO to tap into this traffic goldmine so you can explode your revenue. This ingenious platform combines AI analytics with innovative content creation tools to make SEO easy. It empowers you to rank higher and attract endless streams of qualified visitors. With Simpler Traffic, you can tap into hands-free buyer traffic on autopilot, create SEO-friendly content that converts, uncover profitable keywords in seconds, access comprehensive SEO training. It's the fastest way to 2-3x your organic traffic. Don't just take our word for it. Lucy grew her blog traffic 500% to 50K visitors per month with Simpler Traffic. And Ryan boosted his store's organic revenue 5x within 6 months. The real-world results speak for themselves. Get full benefits by taking their 90-day challenge. Follow it step by step for 90 days to potentially double or triple your organic traffic. With live support, you'll have the help you need to succeed. Ready to tap into endless free traffic? Click below in the description to get started with Simpler Traffic today. Take control of your SEO and transform your business now. So there you have it. Simpler Traffic is the fastest way to surge your organic traffic and revenue. Take the 90-day challenge and experience the results yourself.